This is part of my final assignment in Essential Lean Six Sigma and Validation, delivered by Mary Nolan, so I choose the topic Data Analysis. So let's get started. I am excited to share how two important tools, FMEA and RCA, can help us solve problems in industry. FMEA stands for Failure, Modes and Effect Analysis, and RCA is Root Cause Analysis. Both are powerful ways to find and fix issues, improve reliability, and make operations more efficient. First, I'll explain what FMEA is and how it works. Then I will talk about RCA and how we can use to find the real cause of problems. So let's get started. FMEA is a step-by-step method used to find potential problems in systems, products, or process. By analyzing the effects and the cause of these problems, we can figure out which ones are more critical and take steps to fix them. First step is identification. We start by listing all possible failures. For example, in one of our projects, we found that a rubber seal in a gearbox could fail and cause oil leakage. Next step is analysis. We look at how serious each failure is and how it might affect the system. Third is detection. Then we check how easily we can detect these failures before they cause damage. Risk prioritization. We calculate a risk priority number, or RPN, which helped us rank failures based on how severe they were, how often they could happen, and how easy they were to detect. Next is action planning. For high priority risk, we took action. For example, we switched to better seal materials and adjusted maintenance schedules. And the last one is follow up. After implementing the fixes, we monitor the system to ensure the problem didn't come back. A good example is a worm wheel in one of our machines. It had a tooth damage caused by oil contamination. With FMEA, we identified the root cause, fixed it, and prevented it from happening again. FMEA is a great tool because, first, it helps us reduce risk by identifying problems early. Second, it saves money by preventing expensive repairs and downtime. Third, it improves the quality of products and systems, making them more reliable and keeping customers happy. So this is a FMEA, which I did for one gearbox. So the failure was due to oil contamination. So I will read here just the most important RPN. So first we have the equipment is a gearbox. So the function is facilitate torque and speed transmission between axes. So the failure mode was gear wear, as I show you in previous slides. So possible cause, inadequate lubrication due to oil contamination. Effects of failure, premature gear wear, decreased power transmission efficiency, risk of mechanical failure. Root cause, oil contamination, improper gear lubrication. And recommended actions, so in every FMEA we leave recommendations for each failure. So regular oil change with high quality oil compatible with manufacturer's specs. Okay, so the severity is 9 because leads to a totally fail of the gearbox. Occurrence is 8, so it's high. Detection is 6 because it's hard to detect. Okay, so sometimes you have to remove the cover of the gearbox. It's hard to see. And the RPN is 432. So let's talk now about root cause analysis, or RCA. This method is used to find the real reason why a problem happened. One of the simplest ways to do RCA is using the 5 whys method. It's easy. So you just ask why 5 times to get to the root cause of the issues. This technique was developed by Sakishi Toyoda, and it's a simple but very effective. When something breaks down, don't stop at the first explanation. What you see is often just a symptom, not the actual cause. Once you find the real cause using the 5 whys method, take action to fix it. After that, monitor the system to make sure the problem doesn't happen again. The final steps repeat. If the issue happens again, go back to your analysis. You must test it to confirm it worked and adjust if needed. For example, we had a worn-out sprocket, and through RCA we found that a lack of regular inspections was a real cause. RCA is not just about fixing failures, it's about preventing them. By using RCA, we improve efficiency by making our systems more reliable, encourage continuous improvement by regularly reviewing and updating our process. RCA and FMEA work together to identify problems, find solutions, and make sure systems run over time. Key takeaways. So FMEA helps us to find and prioritize potential failures so we can take actions before they cause major problems. So RCA helps us dig deeper to find the true cause of failures and fix them for good. And finally, together, these tools make systems more reliable, save money, and improve quality.